Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 10th standard, our first chapter is arithmetic progression is the, you learn about more concept in your arithmetic concept. First you can study about the nth term, the terms and also A and B and D also. First of all, you can study about in arithmetic, therefore general form of AP, arithmetic progression general form means A is first term, the second one is a plus d is second term. The next, therefore, a plus 2d is third step, and so on. Therefore, up to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is general form of AP. This general form is also most important in your annual examinations. Maybe 1 mark questions also arise. Write general form of AP. This is your general form of AP. Next, and also you learn about in the AP. Therefore, first formula is very important. That formula AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is standard formula in your nth term. This formula is only nth term of AP. Nth term of AP is equal to AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into. This formula also most important in your examinations. This question also asks maybe 1 mark questions. And also the next one is you learn about in your arithmetic progressions. A means the first term. A means first term, that is constant. Next, what about D means? D means the difference between consecutive two terms. For example, term A, A2, A3 and goes on up to AN. That is n term AN. D means A2 minus A1 or otherwise A3 minus A2 or otherwise A4 minus A3. This like is there. Okay. You learn about all these things. General formula, end formula and first term and second term. Sorry. D, common difference D, and also N means numbers. N means only numbers of terms. How many numbers of terms are here? You learn about all these things in your previous classes. You can find out first term. You can find out the difference also. You can find out AP also. You can find out N also. Next step is the next step. Therefore, the next is the in the arithmetic progressions. The SN means the sum of arithmetic progressions. Sum of terms, because the next headline is what? Sum of first nth term of an AP. So what is the meaning of sum? Listen here. Nth term is you know about nth term. Nth term means what? Nth term is A is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is nth term of AP. But sum means addition of all terms. For example, in the general formula, first term is A, second term is what? A plus D. The next third term is A plus 2D. The fourth term is A plus 3D. And so on. These all are terms are here. But next condition is sum means sum of first nth term of AP. Nth term of only nth term formula is n formula A is equal to A plus N minus 1D. But sum of nth formula, the sum of means the sum n means Sn is equal to the sum means first term, second term, third, all addition. That is sum is, for example, A plus D plus again A plus 2D and also dash this like this. This is sum of arithmetic progression, sum of AP. This formula is denoted by Sn. Therefore, Sn is equal to formula. This is also most important formula in your arithmetic progression. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into the bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your standard formula. Sn formula is sum of first and third formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or otherwise, or another formula also here, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of, you can simplification 2 in a in 2 times a 1 time plus a plus n minus 1 into d, this is also over, this is also different form. And also again an is also is equal to n by 2 into bracket of a plus an, this is also one formula is the same formula, some formula, sum of arithmetic progression Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, this is also formula same as it is, this is also same as it is, therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of a plus an, or otherwise Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the, or otherwise one side is called also Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of a plus l also. This is also our sum of first n term formula, Sn formula. Sn is equal to 1 n by 2 into bracket of a plus l. In this formula, L is equal to, that is an. L is equal to an. That is formula. Got it? Now you can study about only the sum of the nth term. Sum of the nth term in your chapter. Okay? Next you can take some examples in your exercise or some examples in your formula. Sn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That formula. Which type of examples are here? Check question once again. Therefore, the first example, do yourself. First one example. Example number 1. Example number 1. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP of the AP H 3 minus 2 dash dash. Check yourself. Therefore, the question is find the sum of first 22 terms of AP. The given AP is only 3 numbers are here. You can consider 22 numbers. The sum of all 22 numbers. Therefore, our solution is, in your solution, the first step is write the given. AP is given. Therefore, AP is equal to H 3 minus 2 and dash dash. Got it? AP is given. What about next? Which one is given? In the AP, A is also given. A is the next. D is what? D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to, A2 means 3 is there, A means 8 is there, therefore 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Our D value is minus 5. A value is what? D value is what? But N value is what? N value. How many terms are here? Find the how many terms? Find the sum of first 22 terms. Therefore, N value is 22. You can find out the sum of 22 terms AP. Therefore, our solution is the formula. Formula is most important. Write the formula. Sn is equal to A plus, Sn is equal to not A. You can consider. Therefore, Sn is equal to N divided by 2 into bracket of 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Got it? In this formula, you can put the all given value. A is 8, D is minus 5, N is 5. Formula is Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into is there. Put the all given values. Therefore, N is equal to 22 divided by 2 is there into bracket of 2 into A means 8 is the 8 into bracket of bracket. N value is 22 minus 1 into minus D minus 5 is the D value is minus 5. Next simplification is, therefore 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 into bracket of 8 2s are 16 plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into minus 5 bracket complete is equal to again 11 into bracket of 16 as it is again plus into minus is minus 21 into 5 5 ones are 5 next 5 twos are 10 is the 105 that is minus next therefore 11 into bracket of 105 minus 16 105 minus 16 is equal to 9 8 89 is the therefore 89 that is minus 89 minus 89 is the again multiplication of 11 into minus 89 89 therefore 8 9 7 9 is the therefore answer is minus 979 this is our first examples of AP that is sum of 22 terms therefore find the sum of first 22 terms of AP is minus 979 check your second example. Second one is if the sum of the first 14 term of AP is given and the A is given, first term is A is given that is 10. Find the 20th term. Therefore, in the question, first of all you write the given. Which one is given? Given if the sum of first 14th term. 14 term means how many terms are here? N is equal to 14. N value is given. But Sn, sum of first 14 total sum is what? That is Sn is equal to how much given? 1050 is given. Next, what are given? Its first term is given. The first term is A is equal to given that is 10 is there. You can find out the 20th term. A20 you can find out A20 and also find out the D value also find out. D value is not given. Therefore, solution you can find out the first of all D value because Sn is given, A is given, N is given. You can find out in by the Sn formula. Sn is equal to N by 2 into bracket of 2A plus N minus 1 into D. In the given formula, you can put the given values. What is given? Sn is given. How much Sn is given? 1005. Therefore, 1050 not 5 is equal to N is 14 is there. 14 divided by 2 into bracket of 2 into N is 10 is there. A is 10 plus bracket of N is 14 minus 1 into D is there. In the given condition, you can simplification you can find out the D value. First in this side is 1050 is same as it is. Next 2 ones are 2 sevens are therefore 7 into bracket of 10 twos are 20 plus 14 minus 1 is 13 into 3 13D 13D. Next again 1050 is equal to again multiplication 7 into 20 and 7 to 13 therefore 7 twos are 14 140 plus 13 sevens are what is the 13 sevens are 7 threes are 21 7 on the 91 is the therefore 91 D is there. Next you can take 140 in this side that is negative 1050 minus 140 is equal to 91 into D. Therefore next simplification is subtraction of these two. 1050 minus 140 is equal to answer is 0 1 9 0 910 is the 910. The answer is 910 is the is equal to 91 by D. You can find out the D value. Therefore our D value is equal to 910 divided by 91. 91 on 0 is the therefore our 0 value is D value D is equal to 10. Got it? You got a d value. Next you can find out, the question is find 20th term. 20th term means 20th term. 20th term is equal to A20. Therefore, A20 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. N value is 20 is there. Therefore, A20 is equal to A value is what? A value is 10 is the 10. N value is given. N value is 20th term is the third. That is 20 minus 1. D value is 10 is there. Next, therefore, A20 is equal to 10 as it is plus 90 into 10 is the. Therefore, A20 is equal to 10 plus 190 is equal to 200 is the. Therefore, 20th term is equal to 20th term is 200. 20th term is 200 is there. Got it? Next one, third example. For third one is how many terms of AP? How many terms are there in AP? The AP is 24, 21, 18 is the must taken the so that their sum is 78 is the. First of all, you can write the given. Oh, what are the given? Given AP is given. AP is equal to 24, 21, 18 and etc. Therefore, next in the given, Sn is given, sum is given. Sn is equal to 78 is given. In the given AP, A is also given. A is 24. Next, D is equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore, D is equal to 21 minus 24 is equal to D value is minus 3 is there. D value is minus 3. The question is how many terms of AP in the given AP? How many terms are here? Therefore, solution. Find the terms. The formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your standard formula. You can apply the given. Sn is 78. Sn is 78 same as it is. N is we don't know. N is we don't know. Term n as it is same as it is. Therefore, A is given. A is 24. 2 into 24 plus n is what? N is again we don't know. Therefore, n minus 1 into d is minus 3 is the. Therefore, next simplification. Simplification, you can take 2 in this side, that is into 78 into 2 is equal to n into bracket of 24 2s are 48 plus n minus 1 into again multiplication is the multiplication of these two. N into minus 3 is minus 3n. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Next simplification. Therefore, 78 into 2 means 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14 and 15 is the 156 is equal to 156 is equal to again simplification n into bracket of 48 plus 3 is 51. This is also positive. This is also positive. 48 plus 3 means 51 minus 3n is there. Next simplification. Therefore, 156 is equal to n into 51 means 51n minus 3 n into 3n means 3n square. 3n square. Next you can take these two terms in this side. Therefore, this minus term is in this side plus 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation is there. This is one quadratic equation. Next you can simplification these two terms coefficients 3, 51, 156. These all are divisible by 3. Check yourself once again. Therefore, consider equation 1. This equation is divided by 1. Equation 1 is divided by 3. Divided by 3. Therefore, given equation, therefore divided by 3 is the 3n square minus 51 and plus 156 is equal to 0 is the, you can divide by 3 both number, therefore 3 is the, next cancellation, 3 ones are 3 n square minus 3 ones are 3 remaining 7 is a 17 and plus 3 ones are 3 52s are answer is 52 is equal to 0 is the, next solution of this one is the simplification middle term formula, middle term in algebraic expressions, therefore n square minus 13n plus 4n, got it? No, this is also minus is the, because plus 52 is equal to 0 is the, your condition is this like is the, addition of these two terms is minus 17, addition means the multiplication on two sides is plus 52 is the, you can take minus 13 and minus 4 is the, this is our condition, therefore n square minus 13 and minus 4 and plus 52 is equal to 0. Consider, we can take the group, the first two term is one group, second two term is one group is the, in the first group the n is common is the, take outside n is common, n minus 30. In this second group minus 4 is common, take outside, minus 4 is take outside, therefore n minus 44 13 is the, again these two term n minus 13 is same as is common is the, take outside, n minus 13 in the bracket n minus 4 is the, therefore n value is n is equal to 13 or n is equal to 4 is the, therefore terms are n is equal to 13 or n is equal to 4 is the. Dear student, in this type of examples you can find out in some examples in your example homework, do your more examples. Okay, I shall continue next class.